Hey you all, God bless you. Welcome to Mike Creed Outdoors. Thanks a lot for watching. It's another rainy day here in the state of Virginia. Thank God we can use the rain. We can use plenty of it. We've really been in a drought this year. I decided I'd fire up the forge. This is the second time I've actually fired up this forge since I redone the thing out of stones and remodeled the bottom of it. It seems to be working very well. Yesterday I forged a tomahawk. I didn't do no video of it, but today I'm going to forge a little casting ladle, so that you can use it in a campfire if you want to cast lead projects. So that's what I'm going to be doing today in this video. We're going to take a horseshoe and we're going to turn it in to a casting ladle. You know, there's different types and different sizes of casting ladles. I've got a bigger one hanging around here somewhere that I don't see right off the bat. But, you know, plumbers used to use casting ladles to seal the joints of pipes and stuff up with it. Heat that lead up, and then they just pour it into the joint and that'd seal up the joint. But what we're going to do is we're going to take this horseshoe right here and we're going to forge it into a campfire style casting ladle like they would have been used, in the 16th, 17th, 18th centuries. Alright you all, what we're going to do right here is we're going to take this right here and weld it back on itself. Weld it back on itself, and that'll give us enough material to make the actual spoon out of. Give you a little close-up of what it looks like there in the forge fire. That's working out. Okay, when you're making your welds, you all go straight back to the heat really quick. Get the thing cleaned up and fluxed and go straight back to the heat. Okay, you all, there's your finished weld on that thing right there. I know the light is really bad, but now we'll turn it into a spoon. Guys, typically these little things right here, these little lead ladles for mountain men never come with a wooden handle already on them. The mountain man would simply take this out of his pack and just cut him a tree limb off and make him a handle to suit him right there in the outdoors. Trying to get you guys a shot of that right there. Now once that thick piece of metal gets hot at a campfire, it'll stay hot, unlike the thin ones that go cold really, really quick. Okay? Alright, you all, to keep it from rusting, we simply put it here in the forge. Put no air on it. We'll just get that thing nice and hot. Stick it right over there in that burnt oil. The carbon out of that oil will stick on that thing. And I'll show you right here. See that old fro right there? All that is burnt on carbon, unlike something else I got hanging up here. Like, check this cane hook out. See how rusty it is? Now if I wanted to hang it up there where it wouldn't rust, I would just get it hot and dip it in burnt oil. It'll put that carbon right on it and it will not rust. You all remember, if you're using something that's high carbon, like a piece of file or something like that to make some of this stuff out of, you cannot bring it up above critical. That right there still sticks. See that right there? So that's below critical. I'll just let that lay in there and cool. See how nice and shiny that is after I let it cool in that oil? Now that's not going to rust right there. It's going to rust right on the end where I use it in the campfire, but other than that, that thing ain't going to rust. All these things can be made for the exact caliber gun if you want to tweak them. Okay? If it's 50, 54, whatever it is, 60 caliber, 75, whatever the caliber is. Most now these days we're just using 50s, or I got a 54 caliber, okay? Or a 30. But typically these were made with guns, with the little bullet mold that it goes in. Check it out right there. Horseshoe lead ladle. Like I say, these didn't come with handles on them. The mountain man out in the woods would just poke him a stick of wood on there and have him a wooden handle on there so he wouldn't burn his hand. All right, you all, until next time, God bless all of you. And thanks for watching Mike Reed Outdoors. Have yourself a great day.